Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Make sure you can unlock the device that holds the passkey and that Deliveroo is updated. Once done, sign into your Deliveroo account on that device. If you normally use biometric unlock, keep that device nearby so you can authenticate when prompted. Make sure you also have a fallback like your password or a secondary phone. This avoids getting locked out when you remove the passkey. You'll need to prove it's really you before changes proceed. From your account page, navigate straight to Security or Login Methods. You'll see any linked passkeys listed. Select the one tied to your current device. Authenticate with the device's biometrics or enter your password so Deliveroo verifies you. Once verified, choose Remove or Delete next to the passkey entry. Don't rush. Confirm the device name and timestamp so you don't remove the wrong key. After removal, Deliveroo will update your active sign-in options, so make sure an alternative. After you remove the passkey, sign out and sign back in to confirm it's gone and that your password or another method works. Make sure you set a strong password and enable two-factor authentication if Deliveroo offers it. If you get locked out, use the account recovery flow, choose email or SMS recovery, and follow the verification steps to regain access. If recovery fails, contact Deliveroo support with your account details and proof of identity. That resolves edge cases when automated recovery doesn't work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.